If you want to keep your ChatGPT conversations private for a one-time session, temporary chat mode is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on temporary chat mode on ChatGPT in just a few seconds. This is a great option when you want to ask something without it being saved to your chat history, and it's super useful for quick questions, private brainstorming, or testing prompts without cluttering your main chats. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. You can do this by typing chatgpt.com into the address bar and signing into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, take a look at the top right area of the screen. You should see the temporary chat mode icon there. This is the control you need to enable a temporary conversation. Go ahead and click that temporary chat mode icon on the top right. When you do that, ChatGPT will switch into temporary chat mode, which means the conversation is designed not to be kept in your regular chat history. This is helpful if you're sharing sensitive ideas, asking a one-off question, or simply want a cleaner workspace without saving every interaction. After you turn it on, you can start typing anything into the chat box. For example, you might ask a question, test a prompt, or draft a quick message. The important thing is that you're now using ChatGPT in temporary mode, so the session behaves differently from your normal chats. If you want to confirm it's active, just look for the temporary indicator before you begin typing. If you ever want to stop using it, you can simply exit that session and go back to your regular ChatGPT experience. That way, you stay in full control over when you want a normal save chat and when you want a temporary one. This is one of those small features that can make a big difference if you use ChatGPT often. So that's how to turn on temporary chat mode on ChatGPT. It only takes a moment, and now you know exactly where to find it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI how-to guides, and I'll see you in the next one.